Is it bad if my baby snores?
It's probably normal if the baby's father snores, but babies should not snore.
I've heard that it is cute.
Babies should not have a deviated septum at that age. If they do, the pediatrician should have diagnosed it.
The doctor has not said there's anything wrong like that.
You may want to clean the room to make sure there are no dust mites or dust in there, since that could make the kid stuffy.
I've heard stuffy noses are normal.
Snoring is more than a normal stuffy nose. Try putting the kid on his back for a nap, to improve airflow, and see if that helps.
I thought they needed to be on their stomachs, to avoid choking on spit up.
That is a risk. So is a baby laying on a soft mattress, face amongst the blankets and stuffed animals, snoring and working to breathe, because it cannot quite get enough air.
I have a solid baby mattress, and there are not any breathing impediments. I laid stuff out the way the SIDS prevention brochure said.
You could put the kid to bed one night strapped into a baby swing or baby carrier. If the problem is phlegm, the gunk will run down the throat, instead of blocking airflow in the nose.
The baby could sneeze it out.
At this age, they cannot even eat it on purpose. And younger babies cannot blow their noses on purpose, which is why you get those little blue bulbs to suck it out.
My little one hates it so much, that avoiding it is why he learned to roll over.
You could try giving the kid antihistamines, to test if the problem is allergies.
Or just make sure the pets are not in there with the baby, aggravating respiratory problems.
You can keep a pet from snuggling a kid to death, but pet dander is everywhere, just like the toys will be once the kid is mobile.
It might be a cold.
Sure, and you'll get snoring from the stuffy nose, probably before the fever and vomiting of the flu hits.
How do I treat that?
If it is just respiratory, suction, cold steam from a humidifier so your kid does not get burned looking into the vent, sitting upright but strapped in, and patience.
And it might not be a cold.
At which point, you might blame it on his father. That and his ears.